Hey everyone, welcome back to Abandoned Oz. Currently on Elizabeth Street, walking up towards Randall Lane and Randall Street, where a fire occurred on Thursday the 25th of May 2023, destroying the RC Henderson building, the hat factory. This is an update video, and yeah, a few of the roads have reopened so we can actually see a little bit more now. See what has been kept, what hasn't been kept. So this is Randall Lane, so it's behind Randall Street. Not sure exactly how far we can walk up. Well, let's just do it. I suppose the worst they can do is tell us to fuck off, but yeah. Just go up another few meters. Righto, okay, so you can see that some of the back of the building still remains, which actually surprises me. That's good. I'm not too sure exactly, I don't know whether they're going to get rid of that or what's happening with it, but it'll be interesting to see, hopefully, and I've been saying this in every video, hopefully they're able to actually keep at least a little bit of it, build around it with whatever will go in its place, with maybe a little plaque showing a bit of history about the old hat factory. These blokes here are working on an apartment building across the way, which was pretty damaged in the fire. I heard these people won't be able to go back until at least July. Back out onto Elizabeth Street, we're just walking up towards Randall Street to see if we're actually able to walk along that street to get a better look at the building from there. From some photos I've seen over the last day or so, I think Randall Street may very well be open to an extent. Before we actually head on Randall Street, I just want to zoom in on this office tower here, office building. All the silicon holding the glass in had melted, causing the glass or remaining glass to fall out. It's all boarded up. Not too sure what's going to end up happening with that building. Actually, maybe it's not open, but we can get closer, so that is a plus. So, a lot of you had asked what the Ding Dong Dang, fucking weird name, what that building was. It was an old karaoke bar, I believe, and it stood right here where it says Gaffer. As far as I know, so far the cadaver dogs have not come up with anything, so not too sure if there are any bodies in there or not. So that's the rear of an apartment building that has been pretty badly damaged from the fire. The sheltered area, showing all the smashed glass. In this particular spot, I think the glass that's smashed here is actually from when they were knocking out the glass panes from above. And just a quick overview from the Devonshire Street side. But yeah, that's all for the video. I'll come back in maybe a week or so and do something, see what they've done. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you soon, okay? Bye.